What is up, Raiders? Miles Longo back here. We're gonna be making some food. Here we go. First off, get your heat right. Get the pan hot. Looking nice. Let's go. Today, we have no cheeseburger buns, but we're gonna be making cheeseburger tacos. First off, you can get some ground beef, or you can use frozen beef. I don't want to open any new ground beef, so I'm gonna go with the classic frozen patty. Always check the temp of your pan. You want that thing sizzling if you got water on it. Oh, just like that. Give it a little bit more time. Next thing. Undo the beef patty from the weird little paper thing. Toss it on the pan. That's it. Let's go. Put anything in the pan, because the juice from the beef will be your liquid. Let that puppy cook for about 6-8 minutes. While it's heating up, let's get our seasoning on it. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. I need 2 hands. After about 3 minutes, check and see if it's ready. I already did that, so we're gonna go with the classic flip, baby. Let that baby cook. While we're doing nothing, make sure you season both sides. Beautiful. Followed by a little pepper extra. Yeah. Gas brake. Lower the temp if you think it's cooking too fast. Good for you. What's another cook gonna do? As you can see, that puppy's starting to brown up nicely. Make sure you take a feel. See if it's ready. It is not. Once you feel it's ready, toss on the cheese. Cooking like SpongeBob. Let's go. Let that puppy know. Life hack. If your cheese isn't melting quick enough, toss a lid over that. Does the trick. And you completed part 1 of the cheeseburger taco. Once it is time, you grab your plate. Take the cheeseburger off of. So now we've done the cheeseburger part. Time for the taco. Grab your trusty pair of tongs. You have an electric stove. Makes this a lot easier. Take your tongs, toss it right on the heat of the electric stove. Fry up nicely. Give you that crispy edges you're looking for. See what I'm saying? Hit it with both sides real quick. It's nice. Let that one cool off. Hit it with the second one, because you know a cheeseburger is going to fit 2 tacos. flip. Not a great flip, but whatever. And just like that, your tortillas are done. Now it is taco assembly time. Grab a trusty knife. Slice your cheeseburger, making sure it's cooked all the way through. How are we thinking? Yeah. Make sure it's sliced up nicely. Can't be afraid to get dirty. Next, layer some of the cheeseburger into the taco, like so. I'm gonna go with 3 slices each. Looks good. Layer them out so you have a nice bite throughout the whole taco. And as you can see, step 2 is now done. If you like your cheeseburgers plain, you're done. But if you're like me, you gotta add a little something. So, I don't have any lettuce, unfortunately, but we can toss on some onions, pre-cut by yourself and yours truly. Voila. Next, some good old pickles. Can't have a cheeseburger without pickles. I mean, I guess you can, but I really like pickles, so I can. Take some pickle from the jar. I'm gonna toss on 3 to each. If I had any lettuce, now would be the time I would put it on. But I don't, so I can't, so I won't. And finally, the condiment phase. Now, I'm more than just a ketchup guy. I need a little extra. So, set this out of the way. I'm gonna go with a little ketchup into this little bowl. Doesn't need a crazy amount, I just need enough to mix. And then I'm gonna top it off with some sriracha. This is my stuff. This is Tabasco sriracha. It's a little spicier. Tabasco brand of sriracha. Whatever. Take a spoon. And mix that up. Now you got a spicy. Taste in ketchup. Looks like ketchup. Spice of sriracha. Let me get this back in frame. I'm just gonna layer some on. Down the middle. And I'm gonna do the same thing with the other one. And just like that, we have our cheeseburger tacos. Thank you guys for watching. Stay safe, Raiders. Don't get the coronavirus. Peace out.